Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Got a great recipe for you today. Remember that trip we made to New Braunfels? I hope I'm saying it right. Keith, Lindy, stop it. All right, I know I can't say it right. Anyway, remember that trip to New Braunfels and we went to the farmer's market? Man, I fell in love with that guy's Bison burger. Today we're going to be making our own version of Bison burger. Hey, let me show you what's in the recipe. It's real simple. Well, we're going to start off with a pound of bison, ground bison, and a pound of ground pork. Here I go again with the tongue twisters. And we're going to season it with onion, garlic. These are granulated. I'm going to put some turmeric in it too. And I have some salt and pepper, and I have some real cut up onion we're going to put in there. And of course, we have our cheddar cheese. We have some nice brioche buns. Now, we're not going to go with the donut, the sweet donut. I liked it, but you know, hey, I'm making this my own. So we're going to do this. We're going to butter it up real good. And honestly, I think it's going to be great. And by the time we get through putting that blackberry preserve on there, I don't think the donut's going to really matter that much. So, hey, the first thing we're going to do is start mixing the meat, mixing all the seasonings in. So the griddle is ready to go. We got 400 degrees on this thing. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. I'm going to put this weight on top of my burger, and that baby is 400 degrees. That's why I'm holding it with this. So I'm going to clean it up, and we're going to start making the burgers, okay? Hey, come on over here, y'all. I want you to come see me mix this up. Everything that I do, I'm going to have it in the description anyway, but I want you to come see. So, come on over. All right, let's go ahead and just fluff up some of this pork. And let's get some of this bison fluffed up too. Look how pink it is. I tell you, bison even smells different than regular beef. So we'll just fluff it up a little bit like this. Okie dokie. Now we have a pound of each. So we got 2 pounds of meat right here. So we're going to go in with a tablespoon of salt and pepper, a tablespoon of granulated onion, a tablespoon of granulated garlic, and about a half a tablespoon of turmeric. And we have some fresh onion. And now we're just going to mix it all together. And as soon as I get it all mixed up, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Our meat is all mixed up, spices are in, and now we're just going to weigh out about 6 ounces. So I don't know, I was thinking about maybe 4 ounces, like maybe a quarter pounder. But let's see. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, that's 4 ounces, 0.1. That ought to be good enough for a burger. So let's put that one over here. And I'll weigh out another one that's going to be maybe about 5 ounces. Let's see. I'm not cooking all of these for the show right now. So we have a 5-ounce burger and a 4-ounce burger. We'll see which one we like. Pam's going to go for the 4-ounce. I'm probably going to go for the bigger one. We have plenty meat to make more burgers, but we're not going to make them on the air or for the show. But let me show you how I like to do this. So I'll move this out the way. So I'm going to slide this parchment paper on top of my burger press. I have it set. I don't know if it's set right, but we'll find out. And we're going to squish it down a little bit and give it a press. And there we have a burger. Not bad. Okay, that's the 4-ounce. Let's go for the 5. Put that on there. We have to take another piece of parchment paper, kind of squish it down a little bit and give it a press and come up with it. And there we have the 4 and the 5. They're the same diameter, just one's a little thicker. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit. We're going to get ready to put that on the grill. The grill is at 400, and I'm anxious because I'm going right along. I can't wait to take the taste test. You know how you get when you're cooking. So here we go. All right, so the first thing we'll do is go ahead and add a little bit of oil. I don't know just how much fat is in this, because it didn't look like there was a lot. So we're going to go with the 5. Then we're going to go with the 4. We'll put a little parchment paper on top. And there we go. Okay, now the griddle is set to 400 degrees, and I'm sure it's going to drop a little bit, and that's fine. But we're just going to let this bison burger cook because we want to get it about medium to medium well, okay? So we're going to let it go for a few minutes, and we'll get the thermometer out and we'll check it. Well, we'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, guess what? The burgers are done. The bison burgers. Taking them off the grill. We're going to sit them down here just for a minute. Now, I'm going to take some butter and put the butter on the grill. Separate that a little bit. We'll spread that out. So, we have some brioche buns going on the grill. In the meantime, we have our blackberry preserves. Now, let me explain. The man who cooked this at the farmer's market had the same preserves, except his had seeds in it. So we agreed that we would go seedless. So if you want the seeds, by all means, get the ones with the seeds. Okay, so we're ready to make the burgers. So here we go. We're going to put the meat on first. That's the important step. The meat goes on first. Then a nice healthy portion of cheese. Now I have 2 slices of the cheddar, and we're going to alternate them like that so that they kind of droop over a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And then the next thing is we're going to heat that cheese up. And we're going to melt it down a little bit right here like this. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to work on this cheese with this little burner here to get it nice and melted down on both burgers. Oh man, it's got that barbecue smell. You know, that outside grilled burger smell to it. Oh man. You know, when the cheese kind of gets a little browned. Oh man, I love that. Look at that. So can y'all see how pretty that looks? Now the cheese kind of gets a little white looking when it's melting. And as soon as it starts to bubble, you know you've had it hot enough. And that's about all it's going to take right there. So now we're going to go on with some of this gorgeous blackberry preserves. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm even going to take this beautiful bun. Take a look at that bun, will you? I'm just going to put some blackberry preserves on that bun. Look at that, man. Oh, man, that's beautiful. You don't need any mayonnaise and mustard and all that. Going right on there. Okay. Turn that off. Okay, and let me grab a little bit more. Oh, that bun is toasted perfect. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. So here we go. And look how beautiful that is. Oh man, I can't wait to dig into this bison burger. Let's go ahead and see how good this thing really tastes. Mmm. 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 Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Oh my goodness. I can see the bison in my mind. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That is so good. The flavor, I tell you what, this is better than a hamburger. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Wow. Holy mackerel. Wow. That is delicious. One of the best burgers I've ever put in my mouth. Now, I'm not trying to say that the guy didn't make one really good, because I really enjoyed it. It was delicious. But the spices that I put in it here, I think kicked it up a notch. And the flavor of the blackberry preserves made it spot on. Cheddar cheese, wonderful. Now, there was something else I want to mention to you. We ate at Muck and Fuss. We ate at Muck and Fuss in New Brunswick, and they served the hamburger with a little salad on the side. Now, they didn't serve the bison burger, don't get me wrong, but they served a little salad on the side. And so what we have is a little spring mix, and we have the red onion and a little tomato, cucumber, a little salt and pepper with some grated feta. And then Pam put a really nice strawberry vinaigrette dressing on there for me. And, you know, I got to tell you, wow. With those flavors, it just makes you feel so good. And you know you're eating healthy. That bison has never had an antibiotic. It was a very healthy animal. It's a little pricey, but how many times a week do you eat hamburgers? Okay, so I say go make yourself some bison burgers, cheddar cheese, blackberry preserves, a little butter on a brioche bun. Come on. Doesn't get any better than that, right? I think I've said that before, but for hamburgers, I mean it. And get a little salad on the side, too. Make you feel good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our video on bison burgers, because I sure did. And I hope you come back and see more of our videos, The Sanders Kitchen. We enjoy cooking. We enjoy having you guys around. And, you know, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you know when we come out with all our new videos. You know, we are school photographers. I don't know if you guys knew that or if I ever mentioned it. Sometimes if you don't see a video, you know, for a whole week, maybe a week and a half, that's because we're busy, but school's almost out, and we'll get back to maybe a little more normal schedule. So, didn't mean to make this a long video, but I just wanted to let you guys know. Thank you again for watching. Go make you some bison burgers. We love you guys. Come back when we do another video. And as I always say, God bless you.